Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Libras. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Page of Cups, Chariot and Sun in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Libras, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really, sentimental, or it may be your person's energy, and you are a romantic. So whatever you see or whatever you do, you simply do it with love and you do it with some freshness, and something tells you what you need to do. So in your heart of hearts, you have your intuition guiding you, maybe, guys, today, or in any situation you see it or you do it in a loving way, and you are a very a romantic person, a loving person at heart, and you love this person, you love to be with them. And today you are unconsciously guided towards something, maybe towards some choices that you are making today, guys. It may be in your work or it may be in this relationship. So some positive choices are what I see, and maybe in some situation you may have some kind of an assumption. Maybe you are making the right assumptions even before the situation unfolding. So some kind of intuition is working for you today, guys, in your situation. It may be regarding some decisions you are making in your work, important choices that you are making today. So people around you, they may be surprised to see that you have made the right choice. Maybe you have assessed that situation correctly and you have made the right choice. But in truth, it may be your intuition telling you what you need to do and what you should not do today, guys. And also, guys, Libras, there is some kind of a good news reaching you today, guys. It may be from a person, maybe they are coming with good news. They want to get engaged or get married to you, and they like you a lot, they are interested in you, or maybe for some of you, you were the one who were interested in them and maybe you proposed. They are giving their answer today, guys, and they are interested in you and they love you, Libras. So some positive news is reaching you. And Libras, whatever your situation is, guys, maybe there may be some minor troubles, but still you are going to see a positive outcome today. Things will change for the better and things are going to change. You are just going to overcome all the obstacles that you are facing or you would have faced, and you have a strong willpower or determination today. So whatever goals or aspirations you have, or maybe for some of you, it may even relate to this relationship. Maybe this person proposes to you and you are feeling deeply committed or responsible. You want to you are not only saying yes to this person just by words. It may be your overall commitment. You feel emotionally committed to this person. So some kind of a deep bond or responsibility you feel towards this love, or it may be towards some things, towards some choices you make for yourself in your work situation, guys, Libras. So that is the energy with these cards, Libras, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card, and this is your first crystal and second crystal. So you can either choose the crystals or the cards. So before choosing, we will close our eyes, meditate for a few seconds, think about our situation that needs to be answered. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep this crystal and this card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. Let's see what it is. It's an angel card, guys, and it is Archangel Raphael. So with this card, whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today, helping us out in this particular situation. So this angel stands for healing, guys, healing at all levels, healing mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. And his healing light will ensure safety for us, safe travel, and guiding us and helping us, assisting us to reach our destination. So it may be a destination we may be reaching physically, or it may be a dream destination for ourselves, maybe the emotional growth that we have, vision for ourselves, or a spiritual growth that we have hopes for in our future. So whatever the destination is, this angel is here guiding us to have that potential and choosing a nurturing and a very healthy lifestyle for us to follow, so that it will increase our potential we have in our life, guys. And with this card, there is also that energy for you to heal yourself and help others also to heal in their situation. So whatever is beneficial for you and for the people around you or the people with you, to help them in their physical and spiritual growth. So you should go for those actions, and we will get that insight and clarity in our situation. So whatever needs to be done, that is what this angel is here guiding us today, guys. So maybe it is time we are maybe in a circumstance healing from something, maybe healing from an illness or healing from some emotional stress, and this angel is here guiding us today to get that clarity, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading with this card. So let's keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we will see what is the card, and it says come to the edge. So with this card, guys, it just means that today it is the time for us to take that leap of faith in our situation, overcoming fear and accepting the risk that we are facing today in that circumstance. So in a relationship, sometimes we need to take a risk. So we often hide ourselves, protect ourselves, so we never reveal what we truly feel to that other person. But today maybe you need to take that risk yourself allow yourself to be truly seen. So what you are, you need to show it to that other person. So it is important for you to speak up, voice what you need, and say what you want, and only then this person will understand you, and you will be able to build an authentic relationship. So if you want a deep meaningful relationship, this is not the time for you to play it safe, but it is the time to take that leap of faith, take that one step towards truth, and reveal what you truly want to this other person. And you have to have courage in your heart, guys, and need not fear about what this person will think or what they will assume of you. So you have to just show them the truth, and you need not fear. The results will be amazing, and you will feel wonderful for having shown this person your true nature, your true feelings, and your true emotions. And this is the time for that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.